So you want to learn how to sound like Silva Bumpa, right? Well, you're in the right place. So I'm gonna start by showing you the main vocals. This is how they sound.
Strangely, I feel a connection with you, babe. I need enough like reason to
Let me show you the processing. It's actually very simple. We have an equalizer here, just taking off some of the low and a little bit of the highs. Then we have some delay and some reverb and even more reverb. And you're probably wondering why, and it's because, for example, here, let me just put this example. We have this empty space. So what we're doing is basically filling up that empty space with some reverb and some delay. And yeah, that's basically it. Now let me show you the filter. Well, this doing absolutely nothing. This is the real filter, which is an pretty parametric, and some kickstart, sidechain, and that's it. So let me show you the before and after.
Strangely, I feel a connection with you, babe. I need enough like reason to remain. Strangely, I feel a connection with you, babe. I need enough like.
So it feels like it's a complete different vocal after the processing, I think. Let me show you now the organ sound. I'm gonna play the organ together with the sub bass because you know what they say, that some people are made to be together. Well, the same with the organ and house music. So let me show you how it sounds. Let me show you the M1 synthesizer. Well, it's not a synthesizer actually, it's a keyboard. And if you don't know the M1 keyboard, it's like one of the most famous tools in house music, and one of the most famous sounds in house music is the organ too. Let me put some examples so you can get familiar with it. And now let me show you the sub bass, which is actually a Serum preset from a remake I made like 1 year ago from, I think it's a Give Me That Bounce remake by Malpi, and as you can see, it's just a regular saw wave, I think, and a filter and a little bit of release, as you can see. Let me show you now the drums that are actually one of my favorite parts of the track, because it's like they keep the tension all the time, and that's what I like the most. Now let me show you the background elements of the track. It's just a string I found in a minimal house sample pack, I think. And now this should be the texture, and this one the string, but it doesn't matter. So this one, it's like a background noise I found, and I added a phaser on it. Let me show you real quick. What I did was I added some EQ on the noise and some fruity phaser. It's just like a default plugin from FL Studio, so you don't have to worry about that. It's not a big deal. And then we have some more background elements. This one is more like melodic, and it's actually in key. Yeah, It's from a Cashmere sample pack, but it works in the context of the entire track, so it works for me. Let me show you the pads. And yep, I'm using FL keys. It's I don't get why a lot of FL Studio users hate FL keys so much, because I know the default piano sound is shit, but this one, the Rhodes like preset, it's absolute fire, because you can layer it with some nasty sounds and you'll get like sick very sick harmonic element, which is the piano, or in this case the Rhodes. And what I did was I added the Rhodes, and on top of the Rhodes I added this pad from Silent. It's a default preset, I think. And as you can see, it's basically playing with the cutoff, so you get that effect like wow wow wow. It's just like how do you say that, just like modulating the filter here. Now let me show you the bell, which is another M1. Where is it? Here. It's a bell from the M1 keyboard, and I found it here. Let me show you real quick. The bell section, and you have like a lot of presets, and I found this one. Oh. I found this one and I liked it. I think it was very close to the one in the original track. And yeah, that's basically it. Now let me show you the build-up, which is a very simple build-up, but it works. And I think that's basically it for the track. I hope I'm not missing anything. So yeah, let me show you the final result.
Strangely, I feel a connection with pain. I need an attack with to remain pure. Need more than this what you do. Surely, this can't be something that's driving me crazy. I feel me say things what I'm not meant to do. Make you feel special as I see you, baby. I have a balance, one makes me so free. I'm so fun, as easy as they say. I enjoy you, baby. Cool, and I'm so
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you've learned something, and I'm planning on doing a lot of UK garage stuff soon, so stay tuned, take care, and see you the next time.